everybody, it's Mosey back again, and today I'll be opening a box of 2016 Panini National Treasures Baseball. Now this is actually going to be a group break with two of my friends, so what we're going to do is do a little random here, and there's usually 9 cards per box, so each should get 3 cards. So I'm going to randomize this list 5 times, and whoever's on the top will get the first card, and the second spot will get the second card of the box, and so on until the last card. So let's go ahead and random this list, and we'll see our order here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, there's our list. So let me go ahead and write it down here. Billy with the first card. I get the second card. Kurt gets the third card. I get the fourth card. 5th and 6th of Kurt. I got the 7th. Looks like Billy got the book. Usually the last card in the box is the book. Alright, so I got the list. So let's go ahead and crack this guy open. Alright, let's zoom back out here. Alright. Good luck. Hopefully we get at least 1 killer card out of here. Ooh, I'm so excited. Alright, so let's put the seal here. And one of the best sounds of the hobby is this right here. Oh, so nice. Alright, here's our box. Let's hopefully it's a little big, but I don't think we got a bad knob or anything. Usually those are sticking out pretty good. So we're going to cut open the seals. Alright, oh, we got a redemption. That could be a huge hit, maybe. Alright, first card, Billy, Ozzie Smith, back relic, numbered 63 out of 99. Alright, number 2 is me, Gary Sheffield. Kind of interesting patch. It looks like maybe it's autographed, but numbered 5 out of 10. Nice low numbered. Very interested. Oh, Kurt, this one is good for you. You're number 3. Look at this. Steve Carlton, Mike Schmidt, he's a Philly collector. Mike Schmidt, Steve Carlton, and then we got George Brett and Ricky Henderson, number 58 out of 99. That's pretty cool. I'll try to get these in order. Alright, congrats, Kurt. And then I'm next, so this is pretty cool since it's a Cincinnati Red. St. Patrick's Day, Jose Peraza. Jersey autograph, numbered in 99. Alright, and then Kurt is next with number 5. We've got a 6 times jersey autograph, Brian Johnson, numbered 74 out of 99. 6 swatch signatures. Go, Kurt. Alright. And then number 6 is also Kurt. Pablo Orlando. Autograph. Jumbo rookie jersey. Numbered in 99. Wish that was a patch for you. Alright, number 7. For me, Austin Jackson. Game data material. Autograph. Numbered in 99. Alright, and the last 2 are Billy. Hopefully that last redemption is really big for you, Billy. This one's not bad. Got a Paul Molitor, number 49, 42 Tribute Collection. Autograph jersey. Not bad. And the book, that's a redemption. Stars booklet, nickname signatures, Molina. That actually is not a bad pull. He's not for our Red fans like Billy and me, but his autos sell really well. So booklet, material, nickname, signatures. So it should be an auto. Congrats, Billy. That's the break. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you next time.